Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best car polish is probably one of the most essential products for any car enthusiast looking to restore and protect their vehicle's paintwork, offering a brilliant shine and a durable layer of defense against the elements. This versatile compound works by gently abrading the clear coat, removing microscopic imperfections like swirl marks, oxidation, and light scratches, revealing the true depth and luster of your car's color underneath. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a weekend warrior, choosing the right polish can dramatically elevate your car's appearance, making it stand out on the road and preserving its value for years to come. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Introducing the ultimate solution for your car's interior. This versatile formula cleans and protects all your surfaces, leaving a streak-free finish. Safely clean dashboards, door panels, seats, and even screens. It gently lifts dirt and dust without causing any fading or damage. This cleaner removes grime and restores a natural look. It also leaves a protective layer to resist dust and fingerprints. Simply spray and wipe for a spotless interior. No rinsing or extra buffing is needed, perfect for quick touch-ups. Enjoy a factory-fresh look with a natural sheen. It leaves surfaces looking new and inviting, never greasy or slippery. Beyond your vehicle, use it to clean and protect surfaces in your home, office, or dorm. Get a streak-free finish anywhere. What we like. This interior cleaner is your go-to for a quick and easy refresh. It cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, and glass all at once. If you're looking for a single product to tackle most interior surfaces and want a streak-free finish, this is a fantastic choice for maintaining that factory-fresh look. What people say. This polish is amazing, it leaves a mirror-like finish and removes swirl marks effectively. The application is smooth and it buffs out with ease, leaving no streaks. It provides excellent protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants. Number 4. CR Guy's Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our solution renews, seals, and protects surfaces, delivering results that last for months. Don't let rain ruin your hard work. This product repels water, preventing ugly streaks and maintaining a great look through any weather. Say goodbye to greasy gels that never dry. Our restorer leaves a perfect finish that's completely dry to the touch, protecting your supplies. We are committed to quality, using advanced science and the best equipment. Our formulas are proudly made in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any concerns, our team is here to help make it right. What we like. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly or leave a greasy mess? This product is designed for results that truly last, even after rain. If you want a trim restorer that repels water, dries completely to the touch, and keeps your plastic, rubber, and vinyl looking its best for months, this is the one for you. What people say. The polish applies smoothly and buffs off easily, leaving a brilliant shine. It effectively removes swirl marks and light scratches, restoring the paint's clarity. The long-lasting protection keeps the car looking freshly detailed for weeks. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Butter Wet Wax. Introducing our premium liquid car wax. It delivers a deep, wet shine and a smooth finish, protecting your paintwork from the elements. Enhance gloss, depth, and reflection on all paint colors. Achieve a showroom quality finish that turns heads wherever you go. This wax works on clear coats, single-stage paint, polished metals, and glass. It's gentle and safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. Our smooth, spreadable formula wipes on effortlessly. It buffs off without streaks or powder residue, making waxing faster and more enjoyable. Enjoy a pleasant tropical banana fragrance during your detailing sessions. It leaves a brilliant, protected finish. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. It provides versatile shine and protection on painted, coated, and clear brass surfaces. What we like. Achieve that stunning, deep wet shine with minimal effort. This wax applies and removes easily, leaving behind a brilliant finish and a delightful scent. If you're aiming for a showroom quality look that turns heads and enjoy a pleasant waxing experience, this is the perfect wax for you. What people say. This polish is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It applies smoothly and wipes off with minimal effort, leaving a brilliant shine. The polish effectively removes light scratches and swirl marks, restoring the paint's clarity and depth. It also provides a protective layer that repels water and dirt. I was impressed by how long the shine lasted. Even after several washes, the car still looked freshly detailed. Number 2. Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Kit. This essential detailing accessory is designed to remove embedded dirt and contaminants from your vehicle's paint, glass, and metal surfaces. Safely eliminate overspray, brake dust, and road grime to restore a perfectly smooth finish. This prepares your vehicle for enhanced shine and protection. Our kit is designed for clear coat, single-stage paint, glass, and polished metals. It's gentle enough for all vehicle colors and finishes, delivering professional results. Simply spray the lubricant, glide the clay bar gently to lift away dirt, and wipe clean. Achieve a flawless, glass-like finish in just minutes. This kit is a must-have for car lovers and professional detailers. It provides the perfect base for polishing, waxing, or applying advanced paint protection. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. It's safe for painted, coated, wrapped, or clear brass surfaces, making it a versatile choice for any detailing project. What we like. Get your paint feeling perfectly smooth and ready for protection. This kit effectively lifts away contaminants like overspray and road grime. If you're serious about detailing and want to achieve a flawless base before waxing or sealing, this clay bar kit is an essential step for that glass-like finish. What people say. This polish is excellent for removing swirl marks and light scratches, leaving a deep, glossy finish. It applies easily and buffs off without much effort, saving time during the detailing process. The long-lasting protection it provides helps keep the car looking freshly polished for weeks. Number 1. Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Introducing the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, your all-in-one solution for vehicle detailing. This comprehensive 9-piece set has everything you need to restore gloss and remove imperfections. Experience smooth, controlled polishing with its powerful 700W motor and 8mm orbital throw. It's safe for all your vehicle's surfaces, from paint to headlights. Effortlessly eliminate scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Achieve a showroom-quality finish with enhanced depth and gloss. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its ergonomic design makes extended detailing sessions a breeze. Get professional-grade results, no matter your experience level. This kit provides all the essential pads, polishes, and compounds you need. Tackle every step of the detailing process without purchasing additional products. Achieve professional-grade correction for your vehicle's paint and clear coat. Help every car achieve a deep, glossy finish with precision control. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start polishing like a pro. It's designed to be safe and effective for removing imperfections and restoring shine. If you're a beginner looking to achieve professional-grade paint correction or a seasoned detailer wanting a convenient all-in-one solution, this Orbital Polisher Kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This polish works great on my black car, it really brings out the shine and removes minor scratches. Easy to apply and buff off, leaves a smooth finish without swirl marks. The long-lasting protection is impressive, my car still looks freshly waxed after a month. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.